What's going on, gang? World of Devon here. I don't know how to say this name. Darude? Is it Darude? Darod? Something like that. But this is Sandstorm. This is another Eurodance track. Now, if you don't know what Eurodance is, I covered a track called, which I used for a while as well in my intro. But I covered a track called Better Off Alone by DJ. Uh, Better Off Alone by Alice DJ. There we go. And that was Eurodance. So that was a while ago. The video became very popular and stuff and all that. So I kind of want to take another crack at it and see what this song is about because this popped up on my feed. So we're gonna get into this right now. Do me a favor, hit that like button below, hit that subscribe button below, smash that notification bell so whenever I drop something, you'll be notified instantly. This will be paused because this is a video and I don't know, I don't want to be copyrighted. I might have to blur some of this or cover some of it just in case. So if you're not seeing the whole video, that's why. What I'll do is I'll try to upload it the way it is. If I get copyrighted and it gets blocked, I'm gonna have to do some surgery to it. So you'll wind up noticing it. But let's get into this. Where is this taking place? Where is this taking place? I'm already loving the sound of this. Actually, honestly, it's mesmerizing. A lot of Eurodance is mesmerizing to the ears, to the brain. I don't know what it does. It takes over. It's like shock value. It has like an imprint on your mind and stuff, like a scan going through your brain, telling you to relax and go for the ride. It's like an experience, I guess you could say. I have a Eurodance song. I forgot what it was called. Shore Dance. Shore Dance. I got a song, a Eurodance type song called Shore Dance. I would love to do a Eurodance type album, but that's hard. That's gonna be hard. Um, yeah, man. And some of these are just original beats that just play with no lyrics, so it'd be really hard. But you know, person can dream. So hopefully that happens. But let's get back into this. The video has a very sandstorm look to it, like a very authentic desert heat look to it. You better be running, girl. And these people slow. How'd they catch up to her? Hold up. Hold up. How is this? I don't mean to be like that. I'm not that person. I think everyone's awesome, but how is this girl running from? Maybe she's a track star. You're running from two people, and you're running this fast. You're running and making it throughout all this and stuff. I would have gave up like within the first 3 minutes. I cannot run to save my life. I tried to do that in high school and stuff. I've been traumatized since because they were like, "Oh, you run like a chicken." I didn't want to be hearing none of that. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. Yeah, man. She's going for it though. Yeah. Oh well. But yeah, let me hurry and get back into this. I do gotta go to sleep so I can get up for church in the morning. So let's go. Still chasing him. I like the editing of the video. Also the Aqua. Check that out on the channel. Aqua. Yep, they got her. Whoa. Yeah. They're working together, huh? That's wild. Trying to run and get her to take a briefcase from somebody. Wow. That was wild. Man. Did he redo it or something? What is that? Same guy? I guess he said that. Okay, guys, my bad. So she is the same guy. Oh, it is. Nowadays. Wow. Oh. Storm 25. So he's doing a tour, huh? That's what's up. That was dope, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching this with me. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this, man. This video was awesome. And so was this song. I might die. I can't. I wish. I got YouTube. I can listen to whatever I want. Yeah, man. That was dope, man. Like I said, these songs are so, like, mesmerizing and everything. Like, they just put you in a loop or a trance, you know? Trance. But thanks for watching with me. I appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit the like button below, hit that subscribe button below, press the notification bells whenever I drop something, you'll be notified instantly, and I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Peace out. Remember to let me know what videos you want me to react to next in the comment section down below.